Hi everyone, welcome to Korean Express YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to learn 10 Korean words. So without wasting any time, let's start. Here comes the Korean word for angel, and that is 천사. 천사. Next, let's see how you are going to say crosswalk in Korean, and that is 횡단보도. 횡단보도. Next comes the word for freedom, and it is called 자유. 자유. Now let's move ahead and see how you're going to say war in Korean, and that is 전쟁. 전쟁. Here comes the next word, and that is direction, and in Korean it is called 방향. 방향. Next comes the Korean word for bouquet, and that is 꽃다발. 꽃다발. Now let's see the Korean word for groom, and it is called 신랑. 신랑. Next comes the Korean word for bride, and that is 신부. 신부. Next comes the Korean word for award, and it is very easy, just one syllable, that is 상. 상. And the last one is the Korean word for night, and night is called 기사. 기사. Okay, so today we learned 10 Korean words. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe Korean Express YouTube channel. Thank you.